How are my lovelies doing today? Well, I'm gonna make Jamaican potato pudding. So, I already blend up the potato with Grace coconut milk. I have brown sugar, salt. If you want to use cornmeal, you can. If you don't want it, that's your choice. I have some yellow Jamaican yam, cinnamon, butter. I have some raisin, and normally they soak raisin in rum, but I do not drink rum. But I have some wine, so I don't know if that's gonna work, but I put it in some wine. I have baking powder. I have vanilla, and I have some more coconut cream. Okay, let's get started. So I already have this. So that's the. Sorry, guys, my big bowl just broke. So yeah. So now I'm gonna add the yam. Okay. I'm gonna add some baking powder. Let me open the baking powder. Okay, so that's the baking powder. Mix it around. Now I'm gonna add some brown sugar. Brown sugar. I'm gonna add some salt. Add the cinnamon. Okay. So I'm gonna pour the vanilla in the coconut milk. Pour some cinnamon. Some sugar. And the stove is already on, so okay, so I'm gonna throw a little bit more in there. Let's throw some more. So at this point I'm gonna put the raisin. As I said, guys, if you wanna add the cornmeal, you can if you want. Okay, I'm gonna take 2 minutes break and come back. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pour it in the baking tin now. I preheated the oven already. Hold this to me, please. I greased the baking tin, guys. I'm just gonna put some butter. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now. And that's gonna be there for say an hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave the rest of the coconut milk, cinnamon, and sugar to put on top. We'll be right back. See you in an hour time, okay? Bye.